2014 Ford Focus SE, one owner, previous government fleet vehicle, very well maintained. Your spoiler, dark gray in color. Doesn't really have much for dents or scratches on it. It's a really clean car. 43,000 miles. These get 40 miles per gallon on the highway. It's factory warranty until 60,000 miles or until June of next year. We've got two-tone interior, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, tilt and telescoping steering wheel, automatic headlights. You've got on the steering wheel, you've got driver information center, steering wheel stereo controls, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control. It's got the Microsoft Sync Bluetooth system, CD, AM, FM stereo, air conditioning, heat, automatic transmission. Nice roomy vehicle, side impact and side curtain airbags. Back seats fold down flat. Nice big back seat. Nice big trunk. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open till 6 o'clock all week until 2 o'clock on Saturday. Thanks for watching.